In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Google Drive to OneDrive without downloading. So the first method that we have is using or migrating Google Drive to OneDrive using Cloud Transfer Service. An example for that is VaultMe, which is actually an automated tool to transfer Google Drive to OneDrive. With this, it's actually fully automated. It creates precise copies, works online, preserves the formatting, supports personal and business account, and also integrates or generates detailed report to verify the results that you have copied. You can also just navigate to the Bolt Me app, then migrate single user, select Google as your source, select Microsoft 365 as your destination, click on Connect Accounts and let the app scan them, and just select what type of content you want to copy, like emails, files, shared with me files, shared drives, contacts, as well as calendars. Start your migration and then download your migration report once you're done with this. You will have in here the Vault Me. You can head over and install it or download it on your device. So that's how you transfer files from Google Drive to OneDrive without downloading. Hope we helped.